Hi everybody, this is Shannon Leishner, coming to you with a question. Are you replaceable? And I see in society today, there's a lot of songs, there are a lot of things going on that talk about a person being replaceable. I had a conversation the other day with a friend of mine who was having trouble with their relationship. And what they had said to me was, oh, I can just get somebody else. And I started to think about that. And yes, there is this whole thing about us finding the person who is most compatible to us, about finding the person who really is our match. But does that make the other person replaceable? And I would say no. I would say if we are in this society, in this world, we came into this world as individuals, but we also came into this world as powerful people, as amazing individual people with amazing, wonderful attributes that cannot be replaced. Each one of us is a small piece of a larger puzzle, which makes us irreplaceable. But in a relationship, and when it comes to that, in order to look at replaceable, if you want to call it that, we need to look at our view of value. And is our value dictated by what someone else thinks about us? And I'm again going to say no. I'm going to say that someone else's viewpoint of your value does not dictate what your value actually is. Everyone has their own opinion and everyone feels differently about different things. People are drawn to and in love with or find attractive different things in different people. But that does not lessen our value. What it does is lessen our attractiveness to that person. But that does not make us less attractive, nor does it make us less valuable. What it does is it tells us this person is not our most compatible mate. And if this person is so willing to just replace you, then obviously they probably have some issues within themselves to work out about their value. Because if they're devaluing you, it's because they don't feel valuable themselves. And I always say our value comes from within. Our value is how we see ourselves and what we feel about ourselves, not what somebody else wants to tell us that we are worthy of or not worthy of. And so in this, know that you are valuable. Know that you are unique in this world and that you were brought into this world as a piece of a puzzle, which makes you absolutely irreplaceable. Love and light to each and every one of you. Until next time.